Hi, I just wanted to come on and do a quick project share. I got this book from my daughter and it was a little bit dinged up, and so I thought I would try to make it a little bit nicer looking. And so I just took some scrapbooking paper that I had that I liked, and I laid it down on the front cover, and I covered the back cover. I did not use it for the spine, so I just covered, I guess you'd say 3 sides, because this paper does not extend back over here, but it does extend over the top and the sides and the bottom. And then on the inside I put another piece of paper, and I did that for the front and the back. And then on the edges I used a book binding tape because I wanted to make them more durable, because this book is going to be used. And then I took some Dollar Tree vinyl, and this is just the $1.25 vinyl that they sell, and I just cut a piece that fit my spine. Okay, just lays over the spine perfectly. And put that down. Once I had it adhered to the back spine, I did kind of lift up the edges and lay some glue down to make sure that it was held in place. Then I took my die cuts, and if you notice, my die cuts do have some gemstones on them. My little dragonfly has eyes, the little daisies have pretty little stones. And then I just took my leaves and I made kind of a vining flower. I tried to make my version of a Hoya. And then of course I have the little vines falling down. And on the back spine I have the vine. And then I just left my back cover plain because that's the way I roll. I like it. Then I took Mod Podge and I used the glass luster, this stuff. And I used this stuff because I wanted my glitter to still be glittery, because my dragonflies glitter and my spines glitter. And so I did maybe 5 coats, I think 4 or 5 coats on the cover, and they're kind of medium-ish heavy coats. I did 3 medium-ish heavy coats on the spine because I figure it'll get a lot of wear. And on the back, I just did 3 light coats because it's not going to get dinged up as much. And I also wanted to make sure that my little pretties were held into place and secured down, just in case some little grandkid gets some funny ideas, you know, and wants to try to pick them up. Once this is all cured, I'm going to go over it with this Dura clear gloss varnish and pray to God that it doesn't turn yellow and that it'll stay nice and clear, but it's not going to be out in the sun, so I think it'll be fine. And then once that's dry, the final step is going to be taking the bow I made out of the fake pleather that you get at Michael's and gluing that on it. And I think it's going to look really lovely. And while I was making this, I thought, you know, you could do this for so many different things. You could do it for a Bible, a journaling Bible. You could do it for a cookbook. You could do it for just a, you know, diary, regular journal. Maybe you have a favorite book that you love and the covers kind of come apart and you want to reinforce it. You could do it for that. So many different things you could do and a lot of different designs you can come up with. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. Good night.